Hello, myself Dr. Sivakant Pathak, here available with you to see one important topic, that is electric field due to the circular loop of charges. We are going to calculate the total electric field intensity due to the loop of charges. Let us consider to do this. First of all, see the diagram to calculate the electric field here. Here is the loop. In loop, Q charge is distributed. So this charge is distributed in whole of this, which has radius A. We are in this radius, we are considering a small charge element whose length is here given by dl. So this is the total ring is available here. Charge is equally distributed on it, and due to this we are going to calculate electric field at point P. This is the point P. So here in this diagram, first of all, we are going to calculate the electric field due to this small current element dl. So from here we are joining the point up here. Here a small test positive charge is kept here plus Q0 to calculate the electric field intensity. This distance is given R, and here this horizontal distance is given here x. dp is here. So now see carefully the electric field. Test positive charges. Let us consider this total charge is a positive, both charge positive. So due to this small charge element, right, this is word here, charge element is denoted by dl. Is due to it, this charge element we will calculate its value in dl. Charge length is first of all here. So it is just electric field just opposite to this line. Let this electric field is d. It makes angle like theta with it. So now let us obtain two coordinate of it, electric field. One in this side. This angle is a theta. It is a d cos theta. And here in this side, de sin theta. Right? Now see very carefully to calculate the charge element here. Q charge is distributed in a ring, total ring. So we are going to calculate charge per unit length. See, total charge is distributed Q, and this total length is a circumference of it, and it is 2 pi a. Represent as a question number 1. Then charge element is here. We are going to calculate charge dq carry by dl is equal to dq is equal to charge per unit length into length of the small charge element here ql, and we are going to represent it by equation number 2. It is, since electric field intensity is given by formula 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. So putting this value, electric field intensity due to charge dq at P is given by formula C. We are going to use a small charge is here dE is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. See the charge Q. What is the dQ here? By R square C. It is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. dQ is by equation 2 Q upon 2 pi A dl. This is dQ by R square. This is, see very carefully. Now dE can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q dl by 2 pi A R square. See in the formula, let this point is A and it is a B. So here in triangle APB, R square is equal to A square plus X square. So by keeping this value, D can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q dl by 2 pi A. In place of R square, we are going to write A square plus X square. See carefully, this is equation number 4. Now focus on a diagram. Here, see in this diagram very carefully, we have calculated the electric field at point P due to the charge element dl here only, and it is a dE given by equation 4 here, and its component are represented here. When we see in the opposite diagram, when we'll see the just opposite current element here in this diagram, it is also dl. Then electric field due to this, when we will calculate, here we will join by this dotted line here. So electric field due to this, we will calculate it by dE dash in this direction. So its component C here. When we will obtain two components, one in this side and another in upward side. So these components will cancel each other. See the physics, everybody, very carefully. Here in the diagram, my plan is to calculate the net electric field intensity at point P due to current loop, charge loop, not a current loop, charge loop. We have calculated here the current electric field intensity dE due to dl only, charge dl only. But see, at same time it has a two component. We are this horizontal component and vertical component. When we see just opposite to dl, that is a dl dash. Now see here in the diagram, it has a component which vanished. So in that condition, diagram speaks vertical component vanish each other. So net component is only horizontal. So net electric field intensity E is equal to integral of horizontal component dE cos theta, and represented by equation number 5. Now see carefully here, Now putting this value, dE value and cos theta here in this. Now see value of cos theta here in the diagram. Once focus in the diagram. This is angle theta. So it is base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. It is base by hypotenuse. Base is x, hypotenuse is r, and r is under root x square, a square plus x square. So cos theta is here given x upon r, or x upon r is under root a square plus x square. So putting the value of dE and cos theta. dE from equation 4 and cos theta is from equation 6 in equation 5. Now see in the next page to complete it. E is equal to integral 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0. Let me see the things. dE q dl by 2 pi a square plus x square. Cos theta, it is x by under root a square plus x square. See carefully everybody please. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 upon 2 pi a, or q upon 2 pi a, see here. Then it is 1 upon a square plus x square. Here is power 1, here is power 1 by 2. It becomes 3 by 2 integral dl. See carefully to calculate this EDL. Since total integral dl is equal to summation of all circumferences, this is 2 pi a. So electric field intensity becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q upon 2 pi a 1 upon a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2 in a 2 pi a. 2 pi a cancels. And cos theta is one more thing. Here is x also. So it is x also. So what this become total? E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 qx by a square plus x square to the power 3 by 2. It is net electric field intensity due to the point charge here. Now see carefully. And it can be represented by equation number 6. Here. This is qx. See some special case. See, this equation 6 represents the total electric field E due to the charged ring at point P. This electric field intensity at P is given by this formula. Now special case we are going to see. If at center means P is at center O. This implies that x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, electric field intensity at electric field 0. If x is 0, here x is 0, total 0. Putting in our equation, equation 6 is a 0. This implies that no electric field occur at center of coil. One more special case we want to see. If x is much greater than much away in comparison to the radius of a coil. This implies that A can be neglected. When we neglect A in the above equation, then equation 6 can be written as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 qx by x cube. So it's become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 q by x square. EP is equal to. If in comparison to the radius of ring, point P is much away from here, this formula is implemented. So general formula is this: to calculate the electrical intensity due to the circular charge, at center no charge, much away from there, this formula is utilized. So this is for today. Thank you and